Some people don't learn faster because they're smarter. They learn faster because they use better systems. Your brain isn't slow, it's just being used inefficiently. Here are 3 learning methods that make progress feel almost unfair. Method 1. Learn by teaching. Feynman effect. If you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it yet. The fastest learners don't reread or highlight, they teach. They take a concept and explain it out loud as if talking to a child. The moment you get stuck, you've found the gap. Fix the gap and learning accelerates. Learning sticks when your brain is forced to organize ideas, not just recognize them. Method 2. Short, intense learning sprints. Your brain learns best in focused bursts, not long, exhausting sessions. 30 minutes of deep focus beats 3 hours of distracted study. No phone, no multitasking, no background noise. Just one task, one goal, full attention. Learning speed increases when attention is protected. Method 3. Immediate application. Most people delay using what they learn. Fast learners apply immediately, even if it's imperfect. They write, build, practice, or explain the idea the same day. Mistakes become feedback. Feedback becomes mastery. Information turns into skill only through use. Learning fast isn't talent, it's strategy. Teach what you learn, focus deeply, apply immediately. Do this consistently, and people will wonder how you're improving so fast.